Aloha, I'm Chef Ryan Covert, and welcome to KTA's Quick and Ono recipes. Today I'm going to make curry roasted pork tenderloin. Let's get started. For the curry marinade, place oil, soy sauce, garlic, ginger, curry powder, salt and pepper into a small bowl or blender and mix well into a paste-like consistency. Place pork into a baking dish and pour the marinade over pork and rub each side of the pork. Cover and let rest at room temperature for 20 minutes to marinate as you prepare the relish. For the relish, wash and cut the Fuji and Granny Smith apples, fennel bulb, and fennel tops. Then place them into a medium-sized bowl and mix together well. Add the olive oil, lemon juice, and zest, ginger, sriracha, salt and pepper to taste, and mix well. After the pork has marinated, place it in the oven and bake for 20 to 30 minutes or when internal temperature reaches 145 to 150 degrees. Remove from the oven and let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes. Slice pork and place on platter, pouring remaining marinade over pork. Then add relish to the platter. For the full recipe, visit ktasuperstores.com/recipes.